Hey guys, what is going on? It's Jeremy once again. Today I'm going to do a video on how to bring some life into your old Android phone. This isn't necessarily the oldest phone on the block, but it is the Samsung Galaxy S4. It's been out for, going on easily a year and a half now. I think it came out April 2013, so this coming April will be 2 years old. I'm still really loving the device. It's held up great. The screen literally doesn't have a scratch on it. The only damage is some of the metal pane has scratched off the edge, and the back has cracked down the middle because I was trying to do a stress test and bend the back and it broke. But nothing like the bending of the iPhone 6, so nothing to worry about there. So anyway, what I'm getting to is one of the biggest issues with having your cell phone for a long time is the memory card. After a while, it can get bogged down, and depending on the memory card you have, maybe you've had it for a while. This one in particular, it's a 16 gig memory card, and I'm trying to read it. It's a class 2, and it says Samsung, so I imagine it probably came free with either this phone or my previous Samsung Galaxy Note. And that's the issue when it comes to phones. You get a brand new phone and you just say, oh, it's going to be really easy for me to transfer all my contacts and pictures if I just swap out the memory card. Well, that's great, but it creates issues. So the phone, for the most part, takes pictures very well, and the memory card doesn't slow that down. It's when you want to look through your old pictures and find something from like a year ago. If you quickly scroll through it like this, you just can't see it. And it's going to take a while to catch up. Well, I mean, we're just waiting. Okay. About 18 seconds later, it finally starts loading pictures. And it only loaded where I was. It doesn't even load all the way down. So look how freaking slow that is. So what I'm going to do to show as an example, I'm going to copy all of these pictures onto another SD card. And like I showed you before, this is a class 2. So let's put it on a class 10. Just any normal class 10 card and see what happens. So I'll be back when I do that. Give me a second. Okay, about 30 minutes later, after it took forever for that class 2 card to copy, everything is now on the class 10 micro SD card in this Samsung Galaxy S4, and everything loads a lot faster. When you scroll down, it's still gray, but when you stop, it loads up pretty much instantly. See? Instantly. Well, not instant, but you get the point. If you paid attention a few seconds earlier, you saw it took quite a long time for stuff to load. And that's pretty impressive to me. There's about 600 pictures and it's still loading up very well. Let's see how it works when we do it sideways. I mean, there's quite a few, and it's not really struggling too much. I'd say it's pretty good. So if you have an aging smartphone like mine, but you want to give it a little bit extra life and you don't want to, pay $700 for a new phone, or you don't want to enter another contract, pop in another SD card, copy all your files over, see how well it works. You would probably be pleasantly surprised. And be sure to let me know in the comments below if you've tried this and what works for you to speed up your old smartphone. Because, I don't know about you, But I like my Galaxy S4, and it's still speedy, as you can see. It can keep up with the best of them. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yes, I'm laying on the floor because my tripod is stuck facing downward when I was recording my phone. So be sure to like this video and subscribe so I can earn more money and buy another tripod. I have to Stupid piece of shit. What time is it? I don't fucking know because my smartwatch doesn't know I'm looking at it. Fucking subscribe. I'm not even joking. What the fuck does it matter to you? Fucking click subscribe and like my video.